Stop giving your kids melatonin every night. Try this instead. Baby, listen, if y'all house sound like WWE at bedtime, you need these. Because let me tell y'all something. Bedtime in my house used to feel like the Memphis Zoo monkey exhibit. I refuse to be giving my baby melatonin every night like it's candy. So I started making my own common bedtime gummies from scratch, and baby, it changed the whole nighttime routine. First thing you need is chamomile tea. Now, chamomile tea been around longer than half of these medicines. Grandma's been using this for generations because it helps the body relax and calm down. Then we add a little honey. Honey smoothies everything out, and it helps the flavor so your kids actually like it. And it works with the chamomile tea to help settle the stomach. Side note, this is only for kids 2 and up, not 1 and under. Now, this is the ingredients that turn it into gummies. Unflavored gelatin. This is what gives it that soft gummy texture kids love. You whisk it real good while it's warm, and you want to do that so everything dissolves smoothly. Don't rush this part. Just let it melt together. I like to pour it back into the pot and let it simmer on the stove for a few minutes. And then once I take it off of the stove, I'm going to pour it into a silicone mold before it cools. You can do stars, bears, flowers, or whatever that makes your kid excited to eat them. Then we're going to slide these babies right into the fridge once we're done filling up our mold. And what I love about it is simple. No weird chemicals, no nighttime melatonin dependency, just a little homemade calm. Just give your kid 1 or 2 gummies during the bedtime routine, a warm bath, book time, and lights down, and baby, the house will finally get quiet. Overstimulated mom knows what I'm talking about. But sometimes it ain't even the kids that need the calming. It's us. Don't lie. Half of the time we need gummies too. Now, let me tell you how to store these because this part is important. Once the gummies set, you want to keep them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Since they are homemade, they don't have preservatives like store-bought gummies. They need to stay cold. In the fridge, they'll stay good for about 5 to 7 days. And if you want them to last longer, you can freeze them. Just put them in a freezer-safe bag or a container, and they'll last a couple of months. When you're ready to use them, let them thaw for a few minutes, and they're good to go. I usually make a small batch for the week and keep them right in the fridge so they're ready for bedtime. And one more thing, moms. These are not for babies under 1 year old because honey isn't safe for infants. Always check with your pediatrician if your child has allergies or sensitivity. These are meant for toddlers and older kids as part of the calm bedtime routine. I didn't put the exact recipe measurements in the video, so if you want the exact recipe card with the measurements, it's on my site. Just go to my bio, click on the link tree, then click on Sylvia ebook and grab the bedtime gummy recipe card. It's like $2.99 and you'll have it forever. I don't know about y'all, but I like saving. Stay tuned because I'm going to be putting out a medicine from scratch ebook teaching you all my homemade remedy medicines that have been passed down from 4 generations. If you enjoy content like this, homemade, simple, country mama stuff, comment the word gummy so I know who my people are, and follow along, save this video, and send this to another mama who be fighting for her life at bedtime. I kid you not, after 7 p.m. my house literally turns into a zoo, so this is a lifesaver, trust me.